Hi, hello there. This is Mark again. Uh, in this video, we'll be doing banners, specifically pull-up banner. And for today's tutorial, we're gonna use this folder. Let me quickly go there. Align program, as everybody know already. Continuing with the progress, and then we did business cards. We're doing business today. Here. Alright, so this is banners class. I'm gonna open a picture with some banners just to show you as an example. It's a banner that is not really that beautiful, but for then it was corporate banners for banks. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this banner, we just place the banner here. So what matters more is the size, which is 800 by 2000. So those are the banners behind the people there, and this is a specific one we'll be doing today. There's also those banners there, and that's a banner as well. So let's get started. So for this class, we'll be doing this banner. I'm gonna show them. If you want to know about the tools I used, you can check the previous video I just posted yesterday or today, I'm not so sure, but you can check the video before this one. So this is the banner we'll be doing. Alright, so for this tutorial, you can use any logo you want. I'm gonna be using 26 Media's logo, but you can use any logo. Let me bring my InDesign here. Don't forget to check 26medias.com for more videos, for more tips. Follow us on Instagram, 26medias.com, and that will be great. Right, so the first thing we do is always create file. You go to file, new document, new, Control N. It's the same as clicking create, and it's the same as saying Control new. So without wasting no more time, we're gonna start. The only tip I have for today's class is that when you're creating banners, your limit is your imagination, of course. And whatever banner you're creating, the only secret is to know the size and use high quality pictures, because it's very important when you're making a banner, because the banner is very big. So the more better image look, the better quality you have, the better your banner is gonna look. So for the name for this, it's gonna say pull up banner. And the size is going to be, it depends, it can be from 800 to 850, but for today's class I'm just gonna say 830, but it's up to you, as long as it's not less than 800 and it's not more than 850. I'm gonna say 830 by 2000 or 2010, it's up to you. I'm just gonna say one page, because we're making one banner. Make sure the facing page is not ticked. It should be the way it is here. And the margin for this one, I'm gonna use 50, because I wanna make sure my banner's text and important information is as far as possible from the edges of the page. 50 for the margin. And you don't have to put bleed, but if you want 3 millimeters to 5 is enough. I'm gonna use 3 millimeters for this one, and this is all. So let me make it bigger so you can compare from the top to the bottom. 830 by 210, or it can be 800 by 2000. It's the same thing. And one page, you're making many banners or different designs, you can increase the number of pages. It's up to you. The column 1, the margin 50, so that you make sure all your content is within. The blade is 3 to 5. Alright, things are fine. We are still in 5 minutes, which is not so bad. Let's kick started. This is some banners I've done.
Alright, version that is 50 millimeters we put is this one, just to make sure all your content is as far as possible from the edge of the page, which is nice. So let's get started. We go to rectangle tool. Very quickly, we're gonna design our rectangle like this. And I'm gonna remove the stroke, make sure it's 0. The inside is going to be pink. Good. And my image here, this is my image from the folder. I'm just gonna drag in here. So what you do is this. So I take this image, drag it here, and I'm gonna minimize this folder. So now my image, so you should have something like this, and then remember, this is the banner we're making. We're going to make something similar or the same as this. So after dragging your image, something like this, and I'm gonna place my image from here to here. Let me cut this one a bit up to here, and this side as well. And this side. And then to make it bigger, you have to hold Ctrl Shift, and then you can increase your image size.
So make sure you increase your image size from the left and on the right side, and make sure it's big enough like this. Let me make it a little bit bigger. This is perfect for me. So here I have my logo, and then I'm gonna reduce this guy a little bit down up to here. So I'm gonna click on plus from my keyboard. I'm gonna add a dot here, and I'm gonna click on minus. I'm gonna remove the dot here. So I'm gonna say Shift C from my keyboard, and I'm going to play with this guy here. I'm gonna make something like this. I'm gonna go to selection tool. I'm gonna hold Alt from my keyboard and move this guy up so I can duplicate like that. I'm gonna make the color white, and I'm gonna send it to the back. Control Shift parentheses, or I can do arrange, send it to the back. Let me move it a little bit down and a little bit to this side. It looks nice like this. Good. I'm gonna hold Alt again and duplicate again for the last time, and then this time I'm gonna make it blue. If I wanna get the 26 media blue, exactly the same one, I just go to eyedropper, this guy here, and I pick this blue, and that is exactly the same one. So I can send it to the back. I can also move it a little bit to the side. I can move both of them down, and I can also maybe rotate a little bit so they look better, and I can rotate this one as well. Good. And then if I preview, this is how it looks. I think these two sides, I have to make them a little bit to the side, and then it's proper. Good. Okay, now what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna say something like maybe how can it help you on top. I can put my text here, and maybe a few text here like services or contact details or anything I want. And if I want to make I can maybe also move all of it down, I guess, so I can put all the services here and then the contact details down here. But it's up to you, but I think it's okay, it's enough for me. If you want to preview, you just press W from your keyboard. Here I'm gonna say our services, right here. The size is 12, it's too small. I'm just gonna make it 72, and then if I hold Shift Control, I'm gonna increase all of it. The size is gonna be bigger, and I can center them now. Type tool, all of it is selected. Center my text. So I can put 3 services here, and then I can also put our contact details down here, something like that. And I can maybe make the font white down there, and let me reduce a bit the spacing, and then I'll say our contact. Alright, to make it better, I can actually just say 08166828855. There's our number. Let me make it 300. Good. And then I'm gonna put the website, which is 26medias.com. And then for that I'm gonna make 200, and there it is. This is my banner. This is how it looks. It's loading, that's why it looks pitch selected. Oh, it's done loading. So this is how the banner looks. So thank you so much for watching the video, for following us. This is our banner, and I see you next time. When it's not in preview mode, it looks pre-selected. This is what InDesign does, so the file is not so heavy. When I preview, as you saw, they look fine. So and then you can go file and save to make sure you save, because this is actually a good design. I'm gonna reprint it one day. I'm gonna say 26 media pull-up banner. And then if you wanna export as an image, you just go to file, export is the same as Control E. If you wanna maybe send it via email, images, or file it is. When this opens like this, right now it's already JPEG, which is image. If I click here, there are other options. If you want PDF, is this one, PDF for printing. If you want it's a JPEG or PNG, but most of the time I save as either PDF or JPEG. I'm gonna save as JPEG for today's tutorial, and I'm gonna say save. And then because it's a banner, I'm just gonna say one as a resolution. I'm gonna say high, not base like progressive. RGB is okay because I want it for media. If I want all of them, I say all. The range is specifically when you want to specify if it's page 1, 2 or 3, but I only did one page, so this is enough. I'm gonna say export.
It's gonna load until it's done, and I'm good to go. So this was a banner for you. Done. It's exported. I'm gonna save again for the last time, and then I can close my program. Saved. I can close this one, and I can close my program. Those are all the previous design I have made. This is business card, this is banner, this is also banner, and the other rest of the things. So I'm gonna close and really thank you so much for watching the video, and I see you next time. I was trying to make it as short as I could. This video is 17. I guess it's gonna be 20 megabytes. Sorry, I mean 20 minutes. But I guess it's enough for the class. So I really enjoyed being with you guys. Thank you very much, and I see you next time. Don't forget to follow and subscribe. Follow us on social media, 26medias.com, Facebook, WhatsApp, and I see you very soon.